Now, there are lots of places that you can find a profitable niche to enter when we're looking for PLR and different niches to be in to sell PLR to. And right now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to talk to you about just two of them for now, okay? And the two places I want to talk to you about is Amazon.com. You can look in the bestsellers lists, okay? And then ClickBank.com, which truthfully, it really is my favorite place to go look for profitable niches. And I'll show you why right now. What we want to do is we want to go to ClickBank.com, okay? And right up at the top here, it's going to say Marketplace. Then from Marketplace, what I want to do, you see right here where it says Find Products? If you just click on that little search, that little like magnifying glass, what that's going to do, and if you're not familiar with ClickBank, which ClickBank is the world's largest digital marketplace. It's a place where people go to sell, okay, and buy digital products like reports and ebooks and digital videos, okay? And this is where people go to sell them. And what's neat about this is with ClickBank, it allows you to see what's popular, okay? It allows you to see what's popular. So if we do that search, okay, and we search by popularity, we can go ahead and see. Let's take a look at the top 30 products. And this is on all of ClickBank. What we're looking at is the top 30 products. And we can see like the first product, it's on dating. And then this second most popular product, it's on fat loss. And this is weird. This is like energy, once again, weight loss, building muscle. This right here is on making money online. Another one that's making money. Another one that's making money. Kind of, these are weird, like survival products, diet solution, iPad video lessons, all kinds of different things. Okay, and there's all kinds of great products, but truthfully, like I said, okay, ClickBank is the place to look. And if you get an idea, if we look at those top 30, you're going to really see that it all boils down to really these 4 or 5 niches. And they are health and weight loss, relationship advice and dating info, weird or off-the-wall topics. That was like that, generating power and end of the world type of stuff. Make money online, and internet marketing, okay? Those are really the top 5 or 6 niches that you're going to want to make sure that you're in. And if you ask me, I think that making money online and internet marketing, okay, are the best niches to enter, okay? Now, please understand that this is just my opinion, but for reasons you're about to uncover, you'll see there is a lot of opportunity in these niches. And right now we'll talk about why these two niches are so darn good. And the reason for that is there are a lot of different products available. Like if we continue to scroll through the listings at ClickBank, you're going to see that there's a lot of products in the internet marketing and make money niche. Okay? There's also an ever-growing supply of leads. Hundreds, if not thousands, of new people come in every single day onto the internet that are looking to make money or to get into internet marketing or to improve their internet marketing. There's a lot of people out there looking for this information. There's also a lot of repeat buyers. Chances are when someone buys one internet marketing related product from you, if you offer them value on the first product, okay, and you offer them something related, chances are very good that they're going to do business with you in the future. And it's very cheap and easy to get traffic, okay? It's very easy to get traffic because there are lots of marketers to JV with, okay? And these marketers are very, very easy